On to our next candidate, we have Mr. Pangasinan, Municipality of Alcala, Mr. Jomari Cabusao. Mr. Jomari, are you excited to answer the question or to elaborate the hashtag?
Yes, I'm very much ready.
He is ready. You may now pick your question. Your hashtag is hashtag love the Philippines.
Hashtag love the Philippines. Philippines consists of 7,107 islands. However, even though that we are divided in the islands, we are being unified by our language. Our language is Filipino, and us being Filipino, we are able to communicate, understand, and persuade other people by simply using our language as a means of communication. Having said this, we are able to touch the lives of the people, and we are able to give hope to all the people, especially to the people of Pangasinan. Thank you so much.
Mic drop for Mr. Alcala, Mr. Jomari Cabusao. Next candidate, we have Mr. Pangasinan, Malasig, Harold M. Benson. I think you have the most supporters right now. Do you have any messages for them?
Thank you for supporting me, and I hope that I ace this one.
You will ace this round. Manifesting. You may now pick your hashtag. Another political hashtag, hashtag free Palestine.
Love is our universal language, and I think that every people in every country deserves to have a safe place, and also have a place where they can do the things that they want. And the most essential thing is we should not have war, and we must spread love only, because as I said, love is our language. Thank you.
Peace, not war. That is our Mr. Pangasinan Malasiki. Please come forward, Mr. Pangasinan Calasiao, Patrick John Gonsi. Our candidate number 10. Candidate number 10, ano ang mga dapat naming abangan sa iyo sa Grand Coronation Night?
Just the beginning of me explaining myself, so I hope you will support me and because our grandparents were here.
Thank you so much. You may now pick your question, your hashtag. Your hashtag is hashtag Wangod.
Wangod is a cultural icon in the Philippines. She is a traditional artist known for her expertise in the art of battle and hand-cut tattooing. She represents resilience and preservation of indigenous Filipino culture. Being a female artist in a male-dominated field, she symbolizes strength, resilience, and empowerment of women. She has broken barriers and shattered stereotypes and inspired many, especially women, in the process. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Patrick John Corsino. On to our next candidate, we have Mr. Pangasinan, Municipality of San Manuel, Mr. Mike Alden Torres. I think Mr. Mike Alden Torres had the during of the last press presentation. How does it feel?
It's a new pressure and the standards of my supporters.
I know you can do it. You may now pick your hashtag. Your hashtag is hashtag no poverty.
We don't know the poverty as the hottest issue in our country. We prevent poverty if the government set a program for those opportunities people. And to prevent poverty, we must set a program like the livelihood that makapag-promote ng ating kultura o ano-ano. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat din to our Mr. Pangasinan San Manuel, Mike Eldren Torres. Our next candidate, we have Mr. Urdaneta City, Jerry Velasco. Mr. Jerry, kumusta ka?
Mabuti po. Medyo kinakabahan pero nalaban.
Lalaban, kaya pumili ka na ng iyong hashtag.
Sige lang ba? Record. Laban.
Your hashtag is hashtag climate change.
Explain ko na po, bakit nga ba nagkakaroon ng climate change? Dahil lang din po sa ating mga tao. Paano nga ba? Dahil sa pagkakalagpon ng mga tao, sa pagpuputol ng mga puno, at sa mga hindi kanais-nais na ginagawa ng mga tao sa ating mundo. Sa ngayon, nakaramdaman natin, madalas sobrang lamig at ngayon sobrang init. Kaya paano natin may iwasan ito? Huwag tayo magputol ng puno, huwag tayo magtapon ng basura kung saan-saan. Kaya madalas ang pagbaha sa bawat lugar sa Pilipinas. Yun naman po kung isa.
Thank you so much, Mr. Jerry Velasco of Urdaneta City. Truly indeed that we must do something in our environment now that our future self will thank you for. Next candidate, we have Mr. Malasiki Darren Patungan. Mr. Darren, any messages to your supporters once again?
Thank you for coming all today from Bayan ng Malasiki. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Are you ready to elaborate the hashtag? You may now pick your hashtag. Your hashtag is hashtag Heidelin Diaz.
Thank you. Heidelin Diaz is a person that si Heidelin Diaz ay isang babae na magpapatunay na kahit ikaw ay isang babae, hindi ito malilimitahan na kahit kung kaya ng lalaki, kaya din ng babae. Kaya don't judge a book by its cover. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Darren Patungan of Malasiki.